Hi, this is Jeff with Accurate Lock, and this is our Magnetic Latching Patient Safety Hardware Set. So the big deal about this lock is that you'll notice that the latch bolt is retracted. There is no latch bolt. And what we do is, this is a magnetic strike. So if you see here, we have a strike box, and then behind it is a magnet. There's another view of it. We have a rare earth magnet that sits inside the back of the strike, so that when we close the door, we have positive latching. And when I open the door, you have no visible strike. You have no strike that can be manipulated. We can even make, this is the unfinished version of a ligature-resistant strike. So we can do the same thing. We could put a magnet on the back side of this strike, and then we can have the latch go into this ligature-resistant strike, so we're creating even more barrier to creating looping. So if you look at this slowly, so I have this strike, there's the magnet, and watch the latch bolt when I put the magnet near it. See that? So the magnet is pulling the latch out when I close the door. So the so what about this is that now we can do, we've enhanced the amount of safety that the hardware set has. So now you can put this on restroom doors or ensuite bathroom doors where nursing staff don't always have visibility to the patient. So we're basically eliminating the strike and the latch as a ligature point. And what's nice is that we can put it on keyed functions. And this happens to be a classroom function where staff can lock the door, and because it's a magnetic latch, it can't be picked. So we have a safety beveled latch, which is mechanical only, and that, with enough effort, can actually be manipulated, but this latch cannot. So now we can create a safe and secure lock or hardware set for high-risk areas, closets, mechanical closets. This happens to be push-in. So this is our Crescent safety handle set that has a magnetic latch.